Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to find your draft post on Facebook. All right. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, I would like for you to know that if you haven't saved your draft, well, unfortunately, it's lost. Okay. To show you what I meant, okay, just go ahead over to what's on your mind right here. Tap on it. And I'm just going to type down hello. Okay. And once that's done, I'm going to go back once more, and again back. And in here, you should be able to see these options. Okay. And in here, we have the Save as Draft option. So just click on it. And once that's done, you will receive a notification that your draft is saved. Now, to check it, okay, you can go to refresh the page, okay, or reopen the page, tap on what's on your mind, and usually you'll be able to see it right here. If not, go back, go to your notification section, and in here you will be able to see a notification that says you have a saved draft. So just tap on this notification, and as you can see here, we now have these options, okay? And do take note that your draft or drafts will expire in 3 days, okay? So to open it, just tap on the 3 dots and just tap on Open Draft, okay? That is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.